Hello and welcome back to another tutorial for the 2D RPG kit. And this time I would like to show you how to make your game ready for mobile devices with touch input. Currently we can move our player character around using the arrow and WSAD keys on the keyboard. We can also bring up the game menu via the X button and also navigate through the different menu items here and confirm with the return key. This is of course fine for a desktop or console game, especially because this control scheme also already works with gamepads, but for mobiles with touch input, we need to switch to a touch UI to control the game. For this, go to the 2D RPG Kit menu and choose the Control Manager. Now, over on the inspector, we only need to activate the mobile checkbox to switch the game to a mobile mode. Additionally, in the mobile input, make sure that the mobile input is enabled. Now let's hit play, and now we should have the touch UI displayed that we can already start testing using our mouse. With the 4-directional keypad, we can of course move around. The green A button is now the action button and the red B button now opens the game menu. Here we don't need the arrow buttons anymore, as we can simply click the menu buttons to navigate through the menu. The B button brings us always back to the previous menu and also closes the game menu. Next, let us try some interaction inside this house. For example, we can now approach the shopkeeper that we set up in the previous tutorial. And pressing the A button now opens the shop dialog, and we can now click anywhere on the dialog box to progress. And then also, of course, navigate through the shop menu. Alright, let's close the menu and stop the game. So if you go into the assets and under sprites and UI, you will find the sprites that represent the touch UI. And in case you would like to customize them, you could open them and edit them in any image editing software. And this already concludes the mobile input tutorial. Thank you very much for watching, and please consider subscribing to my channel to always get the newest updates and tutorials.